Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the LG 27GS95QE 27-inch Ultragear OLED Gaming Monitor, a high-end display built for serious speed and stunning image quality. This monitor features a QHD 2560 x 1440 resolution, combined with a blazing 240 Hz refresh rate, delivering incredibly smooth gameplay in fast-paced titles. With an ultra-fast 0.03 milliseconds response time, motion stays sharp and responsive, giving competitive players a real edge. The OLED panel is where things really shine. With VESA Display HDR, True Black 400 certification, you get deep, true blacks and vibrant colors that make games feel more immersive. The high contrast ratio adds depth to darker scenes, while wide DCI P3 color coverage ensures rich, accurate visuals. It also supports both NVIDIA G-Sync and AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, helping eliminate screen tearing and stutter across different GPUs. HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort connectivity allow you to fully take advantage of high refresh performance on modern PCs and consoles. The slim, nearly borderless design looks clean on any desk, and the adjustable stand adds ergonomic flexibility. As with most OLED panels, long-term static images can pose burn-in risk, but built-in protection features help reduce that concern. Overall, this is a premium gaming monitor built for speed, contrast, and immersion. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.